Alright guys, so here we are. Got somebody helping me. And we're going to start out with all this side metal here. And get it welded and ready for final finish. And then after all this is done, we'll go up here on top and do the emergency hatches. Weld some aluminum covers on there. It will be a permanent solution, and it will definitely seal better than anything else. So that's what we're going to do. ¿Prendió o qué? Oh, no está conectado. Okay. Okay, so anyway, little by little it'll get done, and eventually we'll get to the other side. It's not a race. It's about getting it done properly. All right, we'll update you as we go. Okay, and Woon is back here. She is removing this louvered corner piece. Yep. It's got a couple of bolts here, and then it's got those little bolts that I talked about in a previous video. As you can see, you have this little connection here that hangs on here, and then this whole thing will come off. And the reason we need it off is so I can get to the back of it, because as you can see, once I started poking around, you can see it's really bad. So I need to check the inside, and I need to check the back side of this. But what I'm gonna have to do is peel this back a little bit to see where it is, and then cut a piece all the way down and weld it in. All right, we'll let you know how it goes. All right, so there goes the last little piece, and then what will happen after that is it'll be hit with the flapper disc, grind everything smooth, and then if there's any pieces that need to be re-welded or something, that'll happen. Then after that, it'll be up to me to come through and here trim this even. And when I did this, I didn't worry about the bottom, you know, because that was not the thing. So anyway, that's how it goes. All right, we'll see what happens. Okay, so here we are. So we've got those pieces on there. Still need to trim the bottom, put some Bondo on it, and do all that good stuff. Now the bad news is we hooked up the TIG so we could test it here. So we could do the top, and no, that generator was not strong enough. So that generator wasn't strong enough, so we're gonna have to find another way. And the way it looks is more than likely we're going to end up just riveting a panel up there. Well, that's the way it goes. All right, I guess we'll take tomorrow off. It's Sunday, and yeah, we'll go from there. Yeah, hopefully on Monday we can come up with the little brass connection there, so we can hook up the excuse me, so we can hook up the check valve, and then we could start the bus again, and everything will be back to how it was. All right, so we'll update you later on and see what we do. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
ขอบคุณเจ้า
See you next time.
แล้วปะกันแฮมไมนะเจ้า
See you.
บ๊ายบาย